Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna check out the top 5 best drones under $50 from Aliexpress. For this year, I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and built-to-see review and price. All links to the drones in the description, below the video. Subscribe on my channel and click on the bell, to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. Okay. So let's get started with the video.
Too hard. We were traveling mountains just to find the loudest seas. We set our mind on fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am. Waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club. Traveling mountains just to find the loudest seas. We set our mind on fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here